I can't see it.
Cool. Thank you for telling me.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
No, I had pushed the wrong buttons. I'm always pushing the wrong buttons. Here you go. That's for you. Thank you so much. The horizon's always at your eye level, no matter how high you go. That means it's not a spinning ball.
There you go.
Holy cow! Oh man! Pretty much the same stuff. There's blue.
Oh.
Thank you.
No, thank you. Yeah.
Nice level.
Yeah. The horizon's always at your eye level, no matter how high you go.
Nice.
So you know what that means?
What?
We don't live on a spinning ball.
Oh. That is very funny.
I have a display over there. Why is
Really?
that funny?
It's hysterical. It's here. Funny that.
Why, you think you're smart or something?
No.
No? Well,
Yeah, I just think that's hysterical.
24,901 equator.
Have you ever flown in a plane?
My father was a pilot.
Yeah.
He flew off aircraft carriers. He
Right.
was a math teacher.
Morning.
I dated a helicopter pilot who owned an airport.
So you think the Earth is not?
I know it
spherical.
is. I think it's, I know
Okay.
it's flat
Okay.
because of perspective.
Right.
And we can see Chicago across 60 miles of Lake Michigan.
Okay.
And that should be hidden under a 240-story building.
Okay. Well, good luck to you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Wish you.
Start to think a little bit.
Let's go. This is real, man. That's real.
That's the first time he's heard it. And that's what it is. Yeah, this is terrible, this wind.
I picked these stupid racks up twice already.
Yeah.
Need a hand? Yeah. I can't see anything.
Yeah, this freaking government has done a number on our people. 26, 27. Oh, $3 each. How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Are these your jars?
They are my job, but
Yeah.
they can be yours.
I just got 2 of them down in Skipback.
Yeah, what you pay for, I can only imagine.
Oh, I have to think.
$10 a piece.
No, it wasn't. No, I really wiggled them down a lot.
Well, you can wiggle
No,
me down.
no, I wouldn't dare pay $10 each. I think it was like I got both of them for 8 or something. A number
The big
2.
ones?
No, it was like
the
this
little
size.
guys?
Number 2 though, I got. Yeah.
Why number 2?
Well, just because it's my favorite number.
Okay, 15-3.
Look at that. That's nice. Just the way you see the way it was made.
Oh,
You
I
know?
got some. The ones with the blue on them. This whole box here. There's something special about them.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's like bubbles, a lot of
Yeah, the bubbles are just gorgeous.
Yeah.
8s. Do you have any number 2s?
Oh.
For $3, I'll come and get one. There's a 7. Do you know what the numbers mean? Really?
See the bubbles on that one?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's nice. 11, 3.
What do you call that?
Oh my goodness. And this is $3?
For you, it's $3.
Yeah, and everybody else. So,
It all depends on how many you buy. I'll give you
does a lid come with it? What's how much you want the lid?
The lids are $1.
$1?
Yeah.
Let me see if I have it.
And those lids will fit all ears.
Yeah, I think I got lids with them. Yeah, you know, a lot of people are selling coats around here. You can go buy a coat.
Yeah, I don't. I saw it and I was like, oh, Nick, whatever.
Well, look, this is what I do, so I'll give you this for free. I'm over there. I have it set up straight across. That's what I do. I teach the flat earth. I go out everywhere.
Oh, let me get another one of those. I got a guy at work.
And if you go on this website, I'm on that website. Well, here, take 2. You keep one.
Yeah.
So wherever you go, the horizon's always at your eye level. Did you know that? So that means that it can't be a spinning ball because it never goes down. It's always up. So it's the planes coming together. It's called the vanishing point when there's like a hallway, the 4 lines coming together. But if it's just 2, it's a vanishing line. That's why you think that the ships go over the curve. They just go into the vanishing line. It's the way your eyes work at a distance. So absolutely, we are living on a plane, and the government lies to us. Now, why would they lie? Well, if they can fool us, they can rule us. And they can tell us anything, and we'll like ship our kids over there to the Middle East to get killed, and we kill other people. That's part of their population control program. See, they just are lying scum. So we got to know what we're doing. We got to do our own research. And I have my banners right over there in the white car, like the 2 down.
All right.
Stop and see me.
All right.
Have a good day. Hi there. I like the color, not big enough. Hey there. Yeah, I know.
And it turns.
What do you want for that?
$5.
Well, let me think about that.
Good morning.
How you doing, girls? Here, I'll give you, this is my card. I'm down there in the parking lot. I teach the flat earth. It's absolutely true. You can learn some science. Earth is flat, guys. We never landed on the moon. Did you watch it on the TV? We never landed on the moon. This is the flat earth. I teach the flat earth. Did you ever hear about it?
Yeah, I
Did
heard
you?
about it before.
Did you look into it?
I've seen a couple of things about it.
Yeah.
It seemed like an interesting concept. I like the hollow one seemed kind of cool too, but I like the
Well, I
flat
think
one
they're a
looked
little
interesting.
confused with the hollow one because, what do you mean hollow? Like the
Like
flat,
how-
but it's
it's like a hollow, but like it's got like
the stars are in the middle.
more like
That's
it's
like a
got-
concave
It's got
earth.
like it's like there's like you ever see what's that movie? The one where they drill into the earth and there's like all these dinosaurs and stuff down there.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Well, that's possible because if we do live in a torus field, then it could be, I don't know where my thing went. Must be in the back here. If we live in a torus field, there could be an underside to it. There could be. But
What's a torus field?
a torus field is electromagnetic field. Oh, wait. I just got back here. Let me put this in here. But you know, there's free-flowing electricity up there in the atmosphere, right above us.
There's so much going on.
Yeah, well, see, they're lying. As soon as you figure out that the government lies,
Everybody lies.
well, yeah, but they shouldn't be teaching it in the schools.
Even our own eyes lie. You know, our eyes can only see like what is it like? I don't know. There's a certain percentage of the spectrum that we can see. Now,
Well, that's true.
right in front of us, we'll be able to.
Yeah, but perspective is what I'm teaching, you know, because it's two planes coming together. It makes a line, a vanishing line. Like here, you never see things, that doesn't go over the curve. The ships just go into the vanishing line.
Yeah.
That's what it is. So here, you can have a card, and then you can look that up. I'm on that website there.
Show these kind of my buddy.
Sure.
My buddy, he was telling me about this stuff too. It's interesting.
Yeah, and I'm on that website, so you can look that up. But do you have any question? Because look, here's this is what you see in reality is a line.
Personally, I think the whole thing is just a simulation. So I think it's all just been bits of little, you know, some computer game somewhere.
Yeah, but we have to live in this reality.
Well,
So
yeah,
this
we're
reality
in a
that we.
reality, but how many realities are there? I
But
mean, like,
the thing is, you don't want them to lie to you though, because.
we're always being lied to. It doesn't matter. Like,
But when you know, you can say we're not doing that anymore. It's child abuse to lie to children.
we can't do anything about it.
We can't.
Here.
If 51% of the people say we're not doing this anymore, you don't think things will
You're
change?
never gonna get people to
Really?
agree like that.
Well, I believe we can. That's why I'm here.
Well, we probably could. We probably could. It's so hard getting. People can't even decide, like, get on the same page about, like, simple matters, you know, and let alone matters.
Well,
that are
paying
important.
school taxes, I guarantee you'll get a lot of people.
I know. Well,
Yeah.
thank you. Sarah.
Have a good day. Ow. What did I do to my tourist wheel? Oh, there it is. Thank God. What's a tourist wheel? Well, here it is.
My baby boo.
The famous last words. Famous last words. I'm never having any more kids.
Well, you say that very definitively up the trees too. So I'm just saying. You never know. Well, I wish you well. And thank you. Stay warm.
You know, you're taking this couple CDs, DVDs out of the chemistry, and you're staying still.
Horizon's always at your eye level.
Yep, exactly. I take him for his walks, I get to do some too.
We never landed on the moon. You can't land on it. It's not a rock.
I plan on drinking one tonight. That sounds good.
We never landed on the moon.
And you're a fucking kook.
At least I have the science behind me. We never landed on the moon. You can't, because it's not a rock. We never landed on the moon. Earth is not a spinning ball. We never landed on the moon. The government is lying to us about all that stuff. We never landed on the moon. NASA is a propaganda machine. Earth is a flat plane, it's not a spinning ball. We never landed on the moon. Earth is a flat plane. It's not a spinning ball.
That's flat.
Yes. Did you ever look it up?
No.
You guys can go on this website and look it up. I'm on there.
Okay.
And if you have questions, you can send them a question. But I have all the science behind it.
Thank you.
You're welcome, hon. Earth is not a spinning ball. We never landed on the moon. We never landed on the moon. You can't. It's not a rock. You can look this up. Horizon's always at your eye level. Horizon is always at your eye level, which means it can't be a ball. We do not live on a spinning ball. Here you go. Would you like a card? You can look it up. Okay, good job. Earth is not a spinning ball. We live on a flat plane. We never landed on the moon. Horizon is always at your eye level, which means it can't be a spinning ball. Earth is not a spinning ball. You know, I think they're down at the end, they're selling coats. You know, we never landed on the moon, ladies.
I know that.
Yeah?
I believe that.
Ah, that's good. She's smart. You got a smart friend. Here, give her my card.
Okay, thank you.
We never landed on the moon. Horizon's always at your eye level. We do not live on a spinning ball. Earth is not a spinning ball. We never landed on the moon.
Oh yeah. It became personal for sure.
From afar.
Earth is not a spinning ball. We never landed on the moon. There's science behind it. You can look this up. We never landed on the moon. Earth is not a spinning ball.
Wow.
The horizon is always at your eye level, which means it can't be a spinning ball. Do you know about torus fields? Yeah?
How can you see?
You can't, because look, we can see Chicago across 60 miles of Lake Michigan. It should be hidden down beyond the curve 2,400 feet. 8 inches times a mile squared is a curvature based on a 24,901 equator.
Okay.
Yeah, here, take that up.
Okay, that's
Look it up.
Okay, thank you.
We never landed on the moon. Earth is not a spinning ball. You can look that up yourself. Space is fake. Earth is not a spinning ball.
Oh, I didn't know you guys were. I'm sorry. You're right over there. I'm sorry. That's great.
Hey, did you know Earth is not a spinning ball? You can look that up. Space is really fake. Did you ever hear about this, the flat Earth? They're not telling you the truth in the schools, buddy. You can look that up on the internet.
It's an oval.
I'm sorry?
It's an oval.
Old?
No, oval.
Oval? No, it's just like this. It's round. See, North Pole's in the center. And
It's not 100%.
Antarctica goes around. What'd you say?
It's not 100% like it's actually sort of like an oval.
I don't think it's like an oval. I kind of think it's like, here, we got a picture on this one. Kind of looks like that. You can have this card too. And then you can go on that website there and you can look it all up. And you can study it.
Oh, I love space.
You love space?
Yes.
I'm sorry, it's fake. They're making it all up. Yeah. Yeah, you look at that. Because look, this is what they put on NASA website right there. So there's two different sizes of the United States. How does that happen? If the diameter is the same,
Because you're looking on different sides.
but the diameter is the same, so it should be the same size, right? And look, when they're up in the International Space Station, they're in the Vomit Comet. And look, when they're doing spacewalk, they're in a pool. You got to look at and be aware of these things. Don't let them fool you. So always keep this in your mind to question everything. Question it. All these books were written by scientists, and they don't allow them in the schools. Centrifugal force, you know, and if the ball is really spinning, how come we don't weigh less at the equator? That should be, there should be a force against gravity, right? Well, there is no gravity.
It's not spinning straight. It's actually spinning.
It doesn't matter because at the equator, it's going faster. But that's not true because we don't really live on a spinning ball. You got to question all these things. I know you look like a smart kid. You really look smart and you're thinking, and that's wonderful. So question these things. Make sure you question it. Look, when something goes in, you don't see the ship go over the horizon. You know why? Because it's perspective. The horizon's always at your eye level, okay? And if you see a ship disappear, that's because it's going into the horizon. It's not going over a curve. So think about these things. You got to think about them. So go on that website. Do you have a question? Well, you always got to look at both sides, and then you decide what's true. That's what you got to do. I'm sorry this is like you're thinking, oh, that can't be true. That makes me mad. Well, it's better to believe the truth, right, than to be fooled by somebody. So I'm just telling you the other side of the story, and then you got to figure it out, what's true. If it's a flat surface, look, this is reality. We get a line of reflection. That's from the sun there. You always get a line. You got to think about these things and decide what's true. You can look at it. Do you have a camera? Take a picture.
I can't do double.
That's okay. If you go on that website, you'll see. Okay? We never landed on the moon. You can't. It's not a rock. The Earth is really a flat plane. It's not a spinning ball. Yeah, it is. I got the science. You don't. We never landed on the moon. We never landed on the moon. Earth is not a spinning ball. No, nobody landed on it. You can't.
It'd actually be nice out.
We never landed on the moon. Earth is not a spinning ball.
Yes.
No, we did not. We never did. We never landed on the moon. Earth is not a spinning ball. No, we never landed on the moon. You can't land on it. It's like a filament. It's not a rock. Would you like to look it up?
No,
Okay.
thank you.
I know. It would have been last minute.
Some people are buying blankets to walk around.
I was selling one, and then my dad was like, you know what? I'm just gonna buy it off of you. So I need this blanket.
Earth is not a spinning ball. We never landed on the moon. We never landed on the moon. Earth is not a spinning ball. Hey guys, we never landed on the moon. Earth is not a spinning ball. It's a flat plane. Yep. Earth is not a spinning ball. We never landed on the moon. We never landed on the moon. Earth is not
a
a...
special level of crazy. You are a special level.
No, I got the science. All you got is a religion. Earth is not a spinning ball. We never landed on the moon.
We were talking before.
Oh, did we? I'm sorry. Hi, Earth is not a spinning ball. We never landed on the moon. No, I got the science. No, you don't. So do I, she says. Really? We never landed on the moon. Earth is not a spinning ball.
No, thank you.
You can look it up.
No, thank you.
Yeah. No, she's allowed to decide what's true.
Crap.
No, it's not crap.
Just won't make fun of it.
Ignorance is bliss. Earth is not a spinning ball.
Glad I looked at the weather before I came. I really looked at the sweatshirt on.
We never landed on the moon. My gosh, gale force winds. Holy cow. We never landed on the moon. Hi, we never landed on the moon. We never landed on the moon. Space is fake. We never landed on the moon. Earth is not a spinning ball.
No, you gave me a 5. It was... Oh, no, I'm good. I'm good. No, I just didn't have enough. He gave me a 20. I didn't have enough 1, 15. Thank you.
We never landed on the moon. Earth is not a spinning ball. Let me just warm up for a second. Holy cow. Let me see. Just gonna warm up for a second. Holy shit. It's not even 9 o'clock. Oh, well look at this. I got something I can do here. That plastic bag?
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, that helps out always.
You're welcome. We never landed on the moon. Earth is not a spinning ball. It's a flat plane. Government's lying to us, but they would never lie to us, would they? Okay, we never landed on the moon. Earth is not a spinning ball. It's a flat plane.